The behemoth of the electric vehicle industry, Tesla, recently revealed plans for a brand new factory. But this one isn't just any factory. It's a revolutionary one. A move that can significantly increase the value of your Tesla stock. We're looking at the fallout from Tesla's most recent strategic decision today. It's not only about growing your business or breaking into new markets. It's also about realizing how this crucial choice can increase the value of your investment, even if it's as small as 2 stocks in your portfolio. We'll get into the specifics of how this new factory will affect Tesla's technological innovations' worldwide reach and, above all, the value of your shares. Because this is a tale of expanding innovation. Possible financial gain. Grab a seat and get ready for an interesting ride. This podcast is designed for everyone interested in learning more about Tesla's latest initiative, regardless of your level of experience as an investor. Enjoy an exciting voyage into the future of your investments by staying connected, clicking the like button and subscribing to Tesla Stock News. Now let's move on to the fascinating exploration image of today. A crucial meeting occurs in the great picture of international commerce. Fundamentally, it is about Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan, who has made a calculated move to approach Tesla CEO Elon Musk with a proposal. Imagine the impact of a conversation between the United Nations and the towering Turkish house, a skyscraper in New York, on your financial portfolio. Not content to merely strike up a conversation. President Erdogan aggressively urged Musk to think about building a Tesla factory in the very center of Turkey. This request was supported by the fact that many Turkish suppliers are already part of Tesla's extensive supply chain, so it wasn't made in vain. Musk personally emphasized Turkey's standing as a frontrunner for Tesla's upcoming business endeavor. Let's now focus on Tesla's reaction. The industry leader in electric vehicles has been keeping things close to the vest at the moment, not responding to inquiries about this conversation right away. But let's consider the implications of this possible action. Not less striking was the scene of this influential discussion as reported by Turkey's state-owned news agency. When a company like Tesla expands its horizon, what happens to your stocks? They don't just sit idle. They respond, usually in a positive way. Imagine being at the vanguard of a technological revolution and seeing firsthand how pivotal meetings shape the future. This is the scene where Turkish President Erdogan, who is in the US for the 78th session of the UN General Assembly, uses to set the stage for this crucial discussion. But why should this matter to you? The savage? The investor? The implications are wide-reaching. Musk's acknowledgement of Turkey as a key player in Tesla's growth narrative hints at a strategic expansion one that could potentially bolster Tesla's production capabilities. The story that the visionaries behind SpaceX and Tesla are weaving together could have an effect on your investments. Let's examine these areas' relevance in more detail. Artificial intelligence, is the first example of how technology is starting to play a major role in many industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and national security. Turkey's desire to work with Musk on AI shows that it is aware of the potential of the technology. By collaborating with a pioneer in the field, Turkey can advance its technological capabilities, which could transform its economy and establish it as a major player for investors in the global tech scene. Such a partnership may impact the course of businesses using AI technology and indicate future expansion in the AI-related industries. This project is among the most ambitious in the field of worldwide internet access. Joining SpaceX on Starlink could mean improved internet connectivity for Turkey's remote and underserved areas, promoting digital inclusivity and economic growth. Additionally, a successful collaboration could place Turkey at the forefront of adopting next-generation satellite internet technology, potentially opening up new markets and applications. Starlink aims to provide high-speed internet access worldwide through a constellation of satellites in low Earth orbit. Given the global push for improved connectivity and the growing significance of digital infrastructure in economic development, this interest in Starlink is especially pertinent. Turkey may be able to obtain a strategic edge in the area by partnering with SpaceX, particularly in light of the keen observer's increasing need for dependable and quick internet connectivity. More than just a high-level conversation, This meeting between Erdogan and Musk offers insight into the future of global technological cooperation. It emphasizes how countries want to work together with business titans to capitalize on the potential of innovations like artificial intelligence and satellite internet. Market observers and investors should take careful note of these events. New initiatives, projects, and breakthroughs are frequently made possible through partnerships between governments and tech titans. They may also serve as stimulants for the development of new markets and the expansion of particular industries. Comprehending these processes can yield significant insights for investing choices, particularly in a world where technology is progressively driving market trends and economic growth. Let's explore more now. Musk said that SpaceX was interested in working with Turkish officials to obtain the license required to offer Starlink satellite services in Turkey. This action aims to establish a new market with a new demand in addition to growing an existing service. Fresh markets frequently provide investors fresh chances for growth, but there are other benefits as well. Erdogan and Musk's conversation evolved into something much more intimate. Musk was invited by Erdogan to Teknist, the leading aerospace and technology festival in Turkey, which will take place in Izmir at the end of September. Being a part of Teknist is more than just attending an event. It's a chance to interact with Turkey's rapidly developing tech scene. Meeting with regional innovators, learning about the capabilities and requirements of technology in the area, and investigating possible synergies are all part of this. These kinds of conversations frequently result in new company prospects, partnerships in research, as well as insights that spur future inventions. In addition, Musk's attendance at Teknist would signify a solid relationship between Turkey and one of the most influential tech visionaries globally. It might serve as a catalyst for drawing in more foreign investment and digital talent to Turkey, strengthening the nation's standing as a developing hub for investors and market observers. This could lead to new investment opportunities in the region and indicates potential expansion in Turkey's tech sector. Furthermore, the invitation from Erdogan and the possibility of Musk attending could indicate a closer relationship between Turkey and Musk's portfolio of businesses, which includes SpaceX and Tesla. A favorable business environment is frequently the result of such diplomatic and commercial connections, support from regulations and other advantages that are essential for global endeavors with trademark zeal. Musk accepted the offer with ease. Imagine what could be possible if a person with Musk's caliber connected to Turkey's emerging tech industry met with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in California for another high-level gathering. Technology related to artificial intelligence is the subject of discussion. Musk's interactions with prominent figures in the world of technology highlight the possibility of international creativity and cooperation, which bodes well for investors in tech companies. Not to be overlooked is Tesla's story of growth. With 6 factories currently operating and a 7th in the works in Mexico, the electric vehicle giant has expressed interest in establishing a factory in India with the goal of producing affordable electric vehicles. Tesla's influence is spreading throughout the world. By the end of the year, Musk himself alluded to choosing a new plant location, which would be another big step toward development. This is not an impulse move. Rather, it is a well-thought-out plan. The goal is to focus on producing affordable electric vehicles in order to take advantage of India's enormous market potential. This choice is a clear indication of Tesla's understanding of the Indian market and its vision. Due to its large population, expanding middle class, and increased emphasis on environmentally friendly transportation, it offers a promising market for electric vehicles when they release more affordable versions. Not only is Tesla joining a new market, but it has the ability to completely transform it by increasing the accessibility of electric vehicles and promoting sustainable transportation in one of the biggest economies in the world. This move is important for market experts and investors. India may result in increased market access, lower manufacturing costs, and production diversity, though the consequences extend beyond Tesla's balance sheets. This decision may result in more competitive pricing, giving Tesla access to a whole new consumer base and, consequently, improving its market share and financial performance. The decision to open a factory in India is in line with the nation's increasing focus on cutting carbon emissions and advancing green technologies. This could spur innovation in the automotive industry by pushing both domestic and foreign companies to adopt more ecologically friendly practices. Musk also added a sense of plan and expectation by saying that he will choose a new factory location by year's end. Not only is it important to consider where Tesla expands, but also how and when this choice will probably be impacted by outside variables like government incentives. Supply chain with market potential. India's local manufacturing capacity and logistics not only would securing a Tesla factory benefit the country's automotive sector, but it would also strengthen its economy and demonstrate its growing stature as a manufacturing hub. Giants such as SpaceX and Tesla have meetings, announcements, and new ventures that are more than just newsworthy. They are possible predictors of future market trends. The combination of AI satellite technology and international expansion presents investment potential in addition to corporate growth. Tesla's stock has surged, rising by an astounding 23% only this year. This is more than simply a figure. It's evidence of Tesla's continuing popularity and innovations in the electric car sector. The pinnacle of this success story was when, on a recent Saturday, Tesla announced that it had produced its 5 millionth vehicle. Each vehicle that leaves the assembly line is a testament to technological prowess and an increase in value for investors like you. However, in 2022, Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, is planning to expand his empire even further by paying an astounding $44 billion to acquire X, formerly known as Twitter. This acquisition is more than just a business deal. It's a calculated step into the social media space that might open up new growth and impact opportunities for investors. This can entail monitoring a diverse portfolio where social media and technology converge. Elon Musk has demonstrated a dynamic approach to managing X Twitter, along with his character of an absolutist when it comes to free expression. He has successfully negotiated the murky waters of international digital communication by balancing loyalty to the Turkish government with defiance of its demands. For example, Musk has complied with some of the Turkish government's requests to block specific content, but Twitter has defied the court's rulings in other cases. These are not just corporate ploys. They represent Musk's attempt to strike a balance between respecting the rights of free speech and negotiating various national regulatory frameworks for people who have invested in or are thinking about purchasing Tesla. The performance and production share of the company milestones are unmistakable signs of its strong health and market assurance. Concurrently, Musk's debut into the social media landscape with X Twitter gives a new factor to examine. Well, now we've seen how Tesla's shares have surged by an incredible 123% this year, a clear testament to the company's dominance in the EV sector and its continual innovation. The creation of the 5 millionth Tesla car marks a major milestone, reflecting not just technological achievement, but also concrete value for stockholders. How will Tesla's continued growth and Musk's endeavors in social media affect the future trajectory of your investments? Are you prepared to tackle the possible risks and opportunities that come with Tesla's varied portfolio? Leave your answers in the comment area below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Whoa! Thank you for visiting us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session on Tesla Stock News.